Perth, boys. Let's fucking get it. Alright, so we're going to Perth. We're meeting up with one of the students inside of the Modern Filmmaker Blueprint. We've just finished 12 weeks of work together. He's got some insane results. I said to him, mate, I'm going to fly over. We're going to get an awesome client interview. We're going to sit down and really just chat about everything and how the past 3 months have been. It's crazy. I'm at the airport right now. It's 7:45 and we're going to get there at around 9:30. It's going to be a good day. I'm meeting up with a couple of people over there. It's going to be a good trip. A bit last minute, but, you know, good side quest.
It's 9:39 in the morning. There is a 3-hour time difference between Victoria and West Australia.
Alright, so we've just landed. The time's now 9:30 in the morning. Got here pretty early because there's a 3-hour time difference and they're behind. About to go meet Nelson. Well, I've known him for like 3 months, but haven't actually met him, so it'll be cool to actually finally see him in person. So we'll see how this goes. It's actually really nice here. It's nice and warm. Fucking keen. Feels good. Feels good to actually be traveling around working. It's fucking hectic.
Jack.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I've seen what you shoot on Instagram.
Yeah. Mate, I'm vlogging right now, bro.
I swear.
Come on, boys.
What's going on? Yeah.
You're in the vlog now, bro.
Shit, hey, I'll see more on Instagram, bro. That's
Come
crazy.
on, lad.
But yeah, no, that's crazy. Hey, what you doing up here?
I'm meeting a student because I've got like my coaching program and stuff.
Oh,
so like, yeah,
so.
he's got some sick results, so I'm meeting up with him. We're gonna hang out and shit.
Done.
We're gonna film like a video together.
That's what's
fucking
up.
hectic, bro.
I bet.
Yeah.
Hey, I hope nothing but the best, bro.
Appreciate it,
Nothing
bro.
but the
No,
best.
genuinely appreciate
But
it.
I had to
Big
double
ups,
check.
boys.
I had to
Big
double
ups.
check, bro. Hey, interstate. This guy's gonna reach everywhere. It's
Come
crazy.
on, boys. Here he is. I don't even know who the fuck he was.
Come on, boys.
Alright, wait. First, brother, we've finally made it together after all this time. Done. I'll get in.
Come in, mate. Come into our house.
There he is.
Who's that?
He won't come out.
Bruno.
Doesn't like me.
Holy shit.
Boys, we fucking made it.
Look at that.
We fucking made it. We're here.
We're here
In the flesh. In the flesh.
In the red dirt.
I can't believe it. Jodie's got some peanut butter.
I'm gonna think of saying maybe I should have some bread again.
Here he is. Sorry, I had to vlog it, bro. Oh, come on, boys.
Where's my crown?
It's fucking real. He's actually real. Bro, I swear to God, you just did a name on the screen, dude. It's actually real.
I'm real, bro. I'm real. So are you. I know you're real because you're always posting.
You went from 4K to like 20K in the first like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
That's fucked.
Man, honestly, like,
Just wrapped up. We are now going for lunch. It's I think it's some like restaurant. Some
Mindari.
cafe.
Yeah, it's
near
Mindari.
the water.
Oh, on the harbour there.
What do you think was the best thing we spoke about?
The transformation, actually saying it out loud was probably the best thing. And just having like a big debrief over the last 12 weeks. It's probably
Yeah.
There's so many things that I said. I was like, fucking hell. How much things did we accomplish, you know?
Yeah, no, it's been fucking crazy. No, you guys got to make sure you watch that video. There's so much we spoke about, but honestly, just heaps of free value in it as well. I feel like we just spoke about a bunch of different sort of limiting beliefs he broke, which I feel a lot of people in the space need a break. This is Kieran, guys.
Yo, what's happening? How we doing?
In Perth now. Fucking hell. Feels like this day's been gone for so long.
We're packing it out.
Now I'm with fucking 2 sexy boys. Man, watch out, lads.
Gotta get the extra fucking wide lens on there to get Kieran in.
Meeting Nelson and stuff. It was just cool. Like we were always talking on the phone, and then actually meeting him was pretty cool. And it was so funny because I got to the airport and someone knew me. Yeah, I was filming a video, right? And then this guy was just staring at me, and then he said, "Are you Jack Careedy?" I'm like, "Yeah, bro." And he's like, oh, I know you. I was like, oh, nice. Am I able to scale my student from 5 to 25k per month in the next 3 weeks? Well, the answer to that is fuck yes. And that's why I'm here in Perth right now to meet one of my students who I recently just scaled to $25,000 per month in recurring revenue. And it's actually insane because we've been working together for the past 12 weeks now, but even in his first 3 weeks of working together, he hit that mark. And it's just crazy to know that I can have an impact on so many people, not just in my home city, but from anywhere around the world. And so I've been working on our consulting business for the past 4-5 months at most, max now. And we've already been able to impact so many people's lives. And genuinely, this is just the beginning. When people say, you know, you can change your life in 3 months, I actually believe that you can. And I'm a testament to that. I've been able to change my life in the past 3-4 months. And this year has been full of roller coasters. But I think being able to just be on the other side of Australia right now to meet one of my students that we're working with is crazy. It's actually insane to see the results you can bring and the impact you can actually make in people's life. If you told me 3 to 4 months ago that I would be in Perth right now, meeting up with one of my students, I genuinely wouldn't believe you. I actually wouldn't believe you. And now I'm here. And I think it just goes to show that if you put your mind to something and if you can actually take action on the things that mean the most to you, you will achieve it. I was reading this book when I was coming here called Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And it really teaches you one lesson, which is that people hold themselves back so much because of the expectations that they set in their mind. If you don't set extreme expectations, extreme goals for yourself, you're not aiming far enough. And that's why you continuously hold yourself back. And I think especially just being here in Perth is a reminder that I set a big goal. Joel and I set a big goal that we were to achieve this, what we're doing. And I know it's just the beginning, but we have changed so many lives already in such a short period of time. And it's genuinely crazy to see the impact that we're making in people's lives. And I think this is such a good book. And it really was just a wake-up call to think that you are your biggest limit. The expectations that you set for yourself are either going to excel you or keep you from actually achieving the goals that you want.
Yeah, it's good. Good snorkeling spot like down here, met him before.
Wind's calming down. Getting some shots out here. I'm taking Nelson's spots he hasn't even been.
I haven't been here for 12 years. And we're back.
Alright, I'm showing him around.
It's been awesome.
Yeah, it's actually been good. We've been along the coast checking that out, and now we're checking out the city all the way from Melbourne to come see this guy. The dedication is fucking crazy. To Perth, I did the thing I said I was going to do, and nothing's going to stop me. It's crazy how much your life can change in such a short period of time, and I think that just all comes down to how bad you want the thing. I don't want to just do this for the money, but I want to create a fucking movement, and I think that's why we've already achieved some amazing goals. Completed some insane things so quickly that I never honestly thought I would have imagined doing this year, and it really just makes me excited knowing that 2026 is probably going to be one of the biggest years of my life and probably one of the most exciting. And so with just over a month left to go, it's going to be fucking crazy to see what we're going to accomplish in 2026. We're going to go hit a gym sesh, back and by workout, and yeah, it should be good. Only got a limited time here with Nelson, so we thought, why not get a little workout in and yeah, get fucking to it. Come and say hi. Put my finger in it. Hey, fucking boy. Just finished the workout, now we're looking at the birds. The maze. Admiring the bicep. Admiring the bicep pump. Holy shit.
Pleasure, mate, meeting you. It's been fucking awesome.
Yeah.
We'll see each other again in Koh Samui.
Bro, it has to happen. It actually has to happen now.
maybe Melbourne. I'll give you a message when I'm in Melbourne.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
I'll just message you, and if you're nearby, I don't know where we're gonna be.
Yeah,
But
no, for sure. Well, yeah, no, we'll definitely have to catch up as well, bro. But yeah, no, it's been hectic, man. Actually meeting you in person, bro.
I know, 12 weeks through the fucking screen, and
through the screen, and 1 day in person.
it's good though. It feels like I've known you before. Like,
yeah, that's the thing. It kind of feels like we've already got that connection. That you see each other. It's like, oh yeah, bro, how are you?
It's not like an awkward first. Oh, hey man. Like, it's not like we've been texting, you know.
Yeah, no, exactly. No, it's been good. Well, we're on the way to the airport, but it's been a good journey. So, fuck yeah, bro. Come on, boys.
Good to meet you, bro.
Come on, lad.
We'll rekindle again anyway.
100%. Fuck yeah,
Yeah,
boys.
good luck with everything.
See you somewhere around the world.